Hello, beautiful souls, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Stone Love. This channel is all about the science and psychology of manifesting and this incredible, empowering journey where we're learning who we are underneath all these limiting beliefs and programs. Who is our true essence? Why are we here? And how do we manifest our dreams? So today we are diving into how to connect with our higher self and call in our power. So how do we access this quantum field, this energy field that's connecting all of us to bring us back to our purpose and living a life of light and love? The quantum field is often described as the fabric of the universe, this energetic realm where all possibilities exist simultaneously, which I find incredibly exciting because that means anything is possible. It's this invisible space where thoughts, emotions, and intentions mold reality. And the really exciting part is, guess what? We have the power to tap into this and access infinite intelligence through our higher self. Our higher self is also known as our soul. And when we align with our higher self, we are accessing this state of expanded consciousness, expanded awareness, actually transcending these limitations of our ego mind. There's so many different ways you can access your higher self. Visualization, meditation, because when we quiet our thoughts and we quiet that chatter, we're actually attuning ourselves to the frequency of our higher self. I'm not saying it's always so easy. I still struggle sometimes with quieting my mind. Here's a few tips I have. One is grounding. I'm barefoot right now. I get barefoot in the grass, and it actually releases a lot of energy and electrical things that are built up in my body that are ready to release. I can't even tell you. It seems like nothing. It seems so simple, grounding and earthing, right? After just a few minutes of it, my mind begins to clear. I can think better. I can make better choices. If you watch my channel, then you know that I often talk about heart-brain coherency and how our heart is our connection to the divine. Because underneath all of these limiting beliefs and programming, we are the true essence of love and light. And I believe our hearts, which has been scientifically proven to have the largest electromagnetic field of anything out of our bodies, that our heart is actually our guidance system. So we want to tap into our heart and tap into this frequency of love when we're looking to connect with our higher self. So step 1, ground. Step 2, put your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and breathe into your heart space. According to the Heart Math Institute, actually just visualizing your breath, filling up your heart, and physically touching your heart, just those two things alone are enough to bring you into heart-brain coherency. And imagine this beautiful golden light actually shining in your heart, filling your heart with love and light. And just think about a few things that you really love. A vacation, the beach, the mountains, getting into nature, the birds singing, your pets, anything that makes you feel a little bit of happiness and love in your heart. Think about that thought and breathe it into your heart as you're breathing. And then the next thing I like to do is imagine my higher self shining a beautiful golden, purple, or white light, or any color that feels right to you. This light comes down and goes directly into my crown chakra and starts filling the top of my head. I imagine it going all the way down, filling my face, my neck, my shoulders. And when it reaches my feet, these beautiful branches dig deep into the earth, through the roots of other trees, through the grass, all the way to the core, the center of the earth. The earth sends love and light back up through these branches, all the way up through my feet, into my body, and then I am supremely held and loved and supported by my higher self energy and the earth's energy, all intermingling and vibrating within my body. And then I breathe back into my heart. If your mind is still chattering at this point, a really good thing to do is say, I wonder what thought I'll think next. This takes the power away from your thoughts, controlling you. You're now the observer of your thoughts. And just pay attention to what comes up and maybe label it. That's a thought that supports this emotion. Oh, that's a thought that's supporting this belief. It helps you to separate from it and stop identifying with it as becoming you. You are not your thoughts. A lot of these thoughts are programs that you picked up in your past. They don't define who you are. You have the power to observe them. And if you have the power to observe them, who's doing the observation? The true essence of you. You can rise above them. You can shift them. Because whatever we lend our consciousness to, that is what creates our reality. So once you get to this place where you're quieting your thoughts, you feel connected with the energy of your higher self, grounded into the earth, your hand is on your heart, then ask your question. Should I move to this location? Should I shift my career? Is this for the highest good of all? And just listen. What do you feel? If it feels light and it feels good, you know in your gut, your heart will guide you. then it's the best decision to make. But if you feel heavy, it's dragging you down, you're feeling mixed, conflicted emotions, maybe that's not the right choice for you. Listen to your heart and your gut. You hold the key to tapping in to the quantum field. You hold the key to tap into infinite wisdom. We are powerful creators of our life, and everything we think becomes an emotion, which influences our decisions, which ultimately becomes our destiny. I'm Sarah Stone Love. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you. And join me every week. We'll be sharing more content on how to manifest your dreams.